President Pranab Mukherjee arrived in Bangladesh on Sunday on a 3-day state visit to boost bilateral ties amidst a general strike by fundamentalist Jamaat-e-Islami to protest the conviction of its 3 top leaders for 1971 war crimes. He was accompanied by his wife Shuvra Mukherjee, Minister of State for Railways Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury, 4 members of Parliament Sitaram Yechury, Chandan Mitra, Mukul and Bhubaneswar Kalita, besides Foreign Secretary Ranjan Mathai. He was received by Bangladesh President Zillur Rehman, senior leaders and officials of Bangladesh. He was also given a ceremonial reception at Dhaka's Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. Soon after his arrival in the Bangladesh capital, President Pranab headed for the National Martyrs Memorial at Savar and laid a wreath at the base of the monument. Pranab is expected to meet Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, Foreign Minister Deepu Moni and Finance Minister Abul Mal A. Muhit today. He is also expected to hold delegation-level talks with the Bangladesh side. Adequate security has been made across Dhaka and other districts where President Mukherjee will be visiting in the wake of ongoing protests by the Jamaat-e-Islami. Correspondent Rafiq from Dhaka for ANI.